Honorable Minister Shri M.P. Prakash, the Members of Parliament, Shri Gokak, Chairman of the Telecom Commission, Shri N.K. Sinha, Member, Technical Telecom Commission, J. Ramanujam, Chief General Manager, Karnataka Telecom Circle, distinguished guests, media persons, friends. It is a matter of great pleasure for me to be with you today on the occasion of dedicating these 30,000 lines electronic digital exchange to the nation. You would be glad to know that the exchange has been designed by the Center for Development of Telematics, a research and development wing of the Ministry of Communications. This exchange is capable of providing all the modern facilities. Today, India has a telecom network comprising 25,000 telephone exchanges with a total equipped capacity of 15.7 million working telephone lines. This is one of the largest and most modern telephone networks in Asia, consisting of digital electronic exchanges, digital microwave systems, optical fiber systems, and domestic satellite communication facilities, including data network. Efforts are on to provide telecom services on demand. I compliment the officials of the Center for Development of Telematics, CDOT, for their untiring and dedicated efforts which have led to the development of a family of switching systems, especially to meet the needs of India. I am particularly happy to learn that the technology developed by the CDOT is capable of providing efficient communication facilities in the rural areas as well. Our country has developed sufficient expertise in this high technology area which needs to be nourished and supported. It is a matter of pride that the exchanges developed by this CDOT are exported to a number of countries and are internationally competitive. Today, India is supplying telephone instruments to USA, telephone exchanges to Africa, and digital switching technology to Vietnam. It is because of the untiring efforts by the technical personnel in CDOT and other bodies under the Ministry of Communications that the International Telecommunications Union, ITU, has identified India as a key supplier of equipments and technologies for the rural telecommunications. I wish the CDOT authorities as well as the authorities in the Ministry of Communication all the best in their noble endeavor to develop indigenous technology in an area which is so vital for the development of the Indian economy. Government has opened up the telecom sector for both production as well as operation. This has attracted multinational companies to establish telecom equipment production units. Private participation in the operation has already been allowed in the field of cellular phones and pagers. Licenses have been awarded for participation in the basic telecom services as well. Considerable progress has been made in providing value-added services. The city of Bangalore plays a very important role in the development and dissemination of information technology in this country and has, in fact, emerged as an important information technology center and has given tremendous boost to software exports in the country. It also provides high-speed data lines on point-to-point basis with Germany, USA, Singapore, UK and Colombia through Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, thus connecting it through the information superhighway to the rest of the world. Bangalore will become a unique city with dedication of first 30,000 lines Max Excel digital electronic exchange in India. A computerized digital exchange is expected to be commissioned by March 1997. Along with new trunk automatic exchange of 25,000 lines by March 1997, plans have been prepared to provide about 1 lakh lines every year so that the telephone should be easily available. The field trial of latest technology of wireless in local loop is also proposed during the year 97-98. Before I concluding, I would like to congratulate once again all the concerned officials for the unfailing cooperation and support extended to the various types of development works and wish the Department of Telecommunication all the best in its efforts to promote the cause of speedy and efficient communication network. I offer you my warm felicitation and good wishes. Jai Hind.